How to redeem and use Next gift card online. To redeem and use the Next gift card online, follow these straightforward steps. First of all you have to do is go to the nextgiftcardonline.com and browse and add items to your shopping bag as usual. So here, let's simply browse and add any item you wish or prefer to your cart by tapping on the Add to Bag option available there. Now once you have added, simply go to the bag option available there or checkout option available there. So we are navigated to view my bag. Here all you have to do is tap on the checkout option available at the right hand side. Then proceed to checkout. Now here choose your delivery method if you want home delivery or you'll do store pickup. So here I'm choosing the home delivery option available. Now simply choose the day you want your parcel to be delivered and tap on the continue option available there. Now here scroll down and choose gift card / e-voucher. Now once you choose it, input the 16-digit gift card number and the 4-digit PIN found on the back of the card. Scratch off the silver panel to reveal the PIN. The value of your order will be deducted after the balance of your gift card. If the balance is less than the order value, you'll be prompted to pay the remaining amount using another payment method. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.